Smart kitchen designs incorporate technology and innovative features to make cooking and meal preparation easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Here are some elements that are commonly found in smart kitchen designs. 1. Integrated appliances. Integrated appliances, such as refrigerators, dishwashers, and ovens, blend seamlessly into the cabinetry, creating a sleek and cohesive look. 2. Smart appliances. Smart appliances can be controlled remotely using a smartphone or tablet. For example, a smart oven can be preheated from another room, or a smart refrigerator can keep track of the groceries inside and suggest recipes based on what's available. 3. Kitchen islands. Kitchen islands are a great way to increase counter space and storage. In a smart kitchen, the island may also include a built-in cooktop, sink, or seating area. 4. Voice-activated devices. Voice-activated devices, such as Amazon Echo or Google Home, can be used to control lights, appliances, and other features in the kitchen. This can be especially useful when your hands are full or dirty. 5. Smart lighting. Smart lighting systems can be programmed to automatically turn on when you enter the kitchen, or to adjust brightness and color based on the time of day. 6. Automated faucets. Automated faucets can detect when hands are present and turn on or off automatically. This can help conserve water and reduce the spread of germs. 7. Built-in charging stations. Many smart kitchens include built-in charging stations for phones, tablets, and other devices. This keeps your devices handy while also reducing clutter on the countertop. By incorporating these and other features, a smart kitchen can make cooking and meal preparation easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable.